Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Atomic wallet. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Atomic wallet application. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. Then from here you can see in wallet section, you can see all your holdings in your wallet. Then from the bottom menu bar you can see buy. From there you can buy any Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies that you like. In swap section you can swap your holdings with any cryptocurrency that you like. Then in stake you can stake your holding of cryptocurrency. To withdraw or send your cryptocurrency to any wallet, you can just tap on the holding of your crypto, then click to send or receive. Then you can send or receive crypto from here. This is how you can use Atomic wallet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.